Hey, let me show you how you can turn on and off noise cancellation on your JBL Live 770, and we've got actually two methods. The first one, you can do this in the JBL headphones application. When you turn on ambient sound control, you are able to switch between the noise cancellation mode, and you can even customize it. So what I mean, you can find here the adaptive ANC, or you can set manually at the ANC level, and also you've got leakage compensation. And the second method, to turn on or off noise cancellation, you'll have to move into the gestures, and as you can see, we've got the action button, which is located right here. And now when I tap on this button, I can actually switch between the noise cancellation, off, and ambient over. So take a look. Currently we are in the noise cancellation. I'm gonna just turn it on. There we go. Now I'm gonna tap on it once, and it turns off the noise cancellation and then turns on. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.